Hi, welcome to my channel, and today I'll be showing you how to make a resin keychain just like this. To make this keychain, these are the materials we will be using. We will be using the alphabet mode for keychain. Then these are jump rings, eye screw, plier, manual handrail, keychains. These are craft stick, then lighter. Then our resin and hardener, I'm using ratio 2:1. The big one is the resin and the small one is the hardener. Then resin pigments. First we'll measure our resin and hardener. I'm using ratio 2:1. I'm using spoon to measure because it's just a small project. It's just one keychain I want to make. But you can also use your measuring scale, your measuring cup to measure it. Then after measuring, we'll mix it for like 2 to 3 minutes. You don't have to be very fast. Then after measuring, you add the colors you want to use. I did it off camera. Depending on the number of colors you want to use, you divide your resin into the number and add each of them separately, unless you want to join it together. But if you want them to have different colors, you do it separately. So I used white yellow pigment and white pigment because I just wanted to mix white and yellow together. So this is the design I wanted to achieve. Mind you, you can do any design you want to do. Anything is an art, so anything you want to do, but this is the one I wanted to do for the keychain. Then after pouring into the mold, you use your lighter to burst the bubbles. When you are done pouring, you will notice that there will be bubbles on top of it, so that's where your lighter comes in. You use your lighter to burst the bubbles, then you leave it to cure for 24 hours. Yes, 24 hours. So this is the next day. By this next day is already hard, which means it has cured. And the next thing we'll have to do is to dome it. This doming makes it to be shiny. Yes, and this doming is done with just the resin and hardener. You don't have to add any color. Yes, just mix a small amount of resin and hardener, then you use it for the doming. Then after that, so you burst your bubbles, the bubbles on it, and leave it for another 24 hours. The first time you will be pouring into the mold, don't fill it up so that you have space for this doming, so that it will not spill all over. To burst the bubbles, you can use a lighter, you can use a heat gun, you can use alcohol spray, so anyone you want to use. So this is the next day after the doming. As you can see, it's cured. Now we have to demold it. When demolding, you have to be careful because sometimes your work will stick with the mold. Just have to be careful because if not, you will just tear your mold. So now we'll go ahead to fix the keychain. If this video has been helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it so that others can see, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. So we'll start with drilling a hole with the manual hand drill. Make sure to drill enough hole for your eye screw. Then the next thing we'll be doing is to add the eye screw. After the eye screw, you add the jump ring. Then after the jump ring is the keychain. So I decided to add the small letter M to it. And this is the final look of the keychain. So what do you think about this keychain? What will you rate it?